This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Diesel fuel filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the safety catch to release the bonnet. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet stay from its clip. Engage the bonnet stay to prop the bonnet. Lift and pull the engine cover to remove it from the vehicle. Undo the 3 bolts and remove the bracket above the fuel filter location. Lift the yellow locking catch and disconnect the wiring plug from the top of the filter. Position some rag around the connections to collect any spilt fuel. Then depress the release buttons and disconnect the fuel pipes from the filter. To prevent contamination, plug the pipe openings. Remove the rag and position the pipes away from the filter. Undo the 2 retaining bolts and lift the filter from place. Hold the filter over a suitable container, then rotate the central fitting clockwise, pull it up slightly and drain the fuel. When the filter housing is drained, push down the fitting and rotate it fully anti-clockwise. Undo the 3 retaining bolts and lift the top from the filter element. Carefully pull the top from the filter element. Once the filter element has been removed, fit sealing caps to the filter top. Remove the sealing plug and cap from the new filter element, then check that the new seal is sitting correctly in the groove in the filter element. Insert the new element into the filter top, refit the bolts and tighten them securely. Close the drain tap. Locate the filter into the housing and tighten the retaining bolts. Reconnect the wiring plug. Then remove the plug on the fuel supply pipe and connect it to the filter. Place a rag under the pipes. Connect a vacuum tool to the filter outlet and operate it until fuel is drawn through. Disconnect the tool, then connect the pipe to the fuel filter. Refit the bracket above the fuel filter and secure it by tightening the 3 screws. Note the location of the cover fixing pegs. Refit the cover securely in position on the engine.